So how do you go about finding a lawyer, and why you should start the search of finding a lawyer before you actually need one? So trying to find a lawyer can be stressful, and that's why I recommend you start the search before you actually need one. And not only in the business context, but in any kind of personal matters or anything like that. It's good to have a network of attorneys that you might need to rely on. Now in the employment context, in the business context, it's important to go about it and develop this relationship early. And really, too, I recommend this because the first key point here on finding a lawyer, finding a good match with a lawyer, is the personality has to be a key fit between you and the lawyer. And if the personality is not a good fit, it's going to be a very adversarial relationship between you and your lawyer. And it really needs to be on the same page. You need to be on the same page with your lawyer, because litigation and dealing with a lawyer is stressful to start out with. And if you're fighting with your lawyer, your own lawyer, on top of everybody else, it becomes even that more stressful. So finding a good attorney that you just get along with, personality, is key. And second, a good place to find lawyers is to ask for referrals, ask friends, ask other colleagues, ask other contacts who they've used, who they recommend. This will really develop or provide qualified leads for you, and is a great place to start looking for an attorney. And third, you really need to engage a lawyer with specialization in your industry. It's hard to go to an attorney that just generalizes anymore, just like doctors or any other profession for that matter recently. It's very specialized, and it's good to go to an attorney that has worked within your industry and knows your business already before you approach that attorney. And fourth, you need to seek lawyers with specializations in the particular issue that you're addressing. So for example, we do employment law, and it's key to go to lawyers with that specialization that have litigated a lot of employment law cases, understand the particular issues facing clients in that area. Other areas that require specialization that I'd recommend clients take a look at: corporate attorneys. They're very different than litigators. Employment lawyers, tax attorneys, and intellectual property attorneys, all very specialized. And then finally, I would recommend going to a real estate attorney for any kind of real estate concerns as well. Fifth and finally, you really need to engage your lawyer before you actually need them. Develop that relationship early and see if you can work together with the lawyer. It's not the time to figure out if you work well with your lawyer when you're in the midst of litigation or a very heated contractual dispute. So develop that relationship early and do a few small items. Have some small workout to the lawyer to see if they really give good value back to you for the project and that you work well with the lawyer. So those are just a few pointers on how you go about finding a lawyer and what a good client-attorney relationship looks like. If you have any questions, please let me know. And if you have any other ideas for future videos, please let me know as well. Thanks.